નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello children, Standard First, Subject English. Today we will learn Unit 3, One Little Kitten. This is a beautiful poem about different creatures. Let's start.
Exercise from this poem. Now next exercise is let's draw. Right? Okay. Let's read first the heading of it. Okay. Look at the pictures of the animals given below and underline them in the poem. Then trace the letters. Okay, children. Do you know what we have to do in this exercise? Yes. पहले तो हमें पिक्चर देखना है, फिर पिक्चर को देख के हमें यहाँ पे एनिमल्स के पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं, दिख रहे हैं ना आपको? यस. तो हमें क्या करना है? एनिमल गिवन बिलो अंडरलाइन देम इन द पोएम. फिर जहाँ जहाँ पे पोएम में हमारे पास वो एनिमल्स है वहाँ पे हमें अंडरलाइन करनी है और फिर आपको यहाँ पे लेटर में ट्रेस करना है. यहाँ पे बॉक्स दिया गया है ना, यहाँ पे देखा आपने? यस, दिस बॉक्स. तो हमें ये जो लेटर दिया गया है किटन का फर्स्ट लेटर क्या होता है? के. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? वी हैव टू ट्रेस के अल्फ़ाबेट लेटर in this box, right? Okay, now let's start our exercise. Here first animal is kitten, right? K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Okay, let's found in our poem. चलो ढूंढते हैं कहाँ पे है kitten, right? Let's refer the poem first. One little kitten. Yes, we got our kitten word. Yes, यहीं पे तो है हमारा एनिमल का नेम K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Okay, now let's our trace K in the box. Now let's start tracing K letter. First you have to do standing line and then small slanting line, and downside you have to trace down slanting line. Okay, here our alphabet letter small letter K is done. Very good, children. Now we had done our first box complete. Kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten is done. Now let's look our next picture of that animal. Which is this animal you can see here? This is butterfly, right? You can see the picture of butterfly here? Yes, right? Okay, now what we have to do? First of all, we have to refer our poem. पहले हम क्या देखेंगे? पहले तो हमें पोएम देखनी है ना, वहाँ से हमें पिक्चर यहाँ पे जो एनिमल है वहाँ पे हमें ढूंढना है और फिर क्या करना है? अंडरलाइन. यस. तो चलो बच्चों फिर से पेज टर्न करो और पोएम पे जाते हैं. We have to read this poem one more time, children. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies. Yes, I got it. मुझे तो मिल गया बटरफ्लाई का वर्ड. मिला ना आपको? चलो तो अब हमें क्या करना है? अंडरलाइन करनी है ना बच्चों अंडरलाइन. चलो करते हैं. प्लीज़ अंडरलाइन BUTTERFLIES बटरफ्लाइज. अब हमें क्या करना है? अब तो हमें बटरफ्लाई का बी क्या होता है? फर्स्ट लेटर बी. We have to trace B letter in this box. Let's start. Take out your pencil and please start tracing with me. First of all, you have to do standing line and then you have to make C. उल्टा वाला सी. हम जो ऑपोजिट साइड में करते हैं वैसा हम करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? अल्फ़ाबेट लेटर B. Yes. Now you have to spell out of me with me. Butterfly. बटरफ्लाई. तो यहाँ पे तो हमारी 2 लेटर्स हो गए. पहले हमने कैटन का की किया और बाद में बटरफ्लाई का बी. दोनों हमारे हो गए. नाउ लेट्स लुक द थर्ड पिक्चर. विच इज दिस पिक्चर? यू कैन सी इट. Yes, this is a cat, right? You can see the picture of cat here, children. Yes. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to refer poem. Very nice. Come on, please go at poem. Now one more time you have to read after me. One little kitten, two big cats. Yes, we got one more animal name. हमें तो फिर से एक animal मिल गया. क्या था वो? Cat. Yes, we got it. Now you have to underline cat, right? Okay, then we have to trace on the box. Come on, children. Now let's trace in the box. Start tracing with me. You have to trace slowly with me. You have to do good handwriting, right, children? Okay, now next picture we will see. Which is the next picture, children? It is rat. Yes, R-A-T, rat. Now, first you have to find rat from the poem. Okay. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats. Yes, we got one more animal, children. Very good. Keep it up. We found all animals. First it was kitten, then butterfly, then cat. Now we found rat also. Very nice. Come on, what we have to do now? Dressing in our box. Very good. Now let's go to next page. You have to trace here first standing line and then you have to trace like this. Please follow this arrow. यहाँ पे आपको एरो दिख रहा है ना बच्चों, उस एरो को आप फॉलो करोगे तो अच्छे से ट्रेसिंग कर सकोगे, राइट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी आवर नेक्स्ट word. Which is this animal? What can you found here? Yes, this is a fish. Very good. Now let's spell out this. F-I-S-H. Fish. Very good. This is a... Now, one more time you have to read with me. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rat, five fat fish. Very good. We got fishes also. Very nice. Now you have to you have to underline it first. F-I-S-H-E-S. Fishes. Now we have to trace our box, right, children? Now let's start tracing of it. You have to follow this arrow like this, right? Our F is done. Now let's look the next picture. What is it? It's a S-E-A-L, seal. Yes, here it is, right? Okay, अब हमें क्या करना है? अब हमें पोयम में से रेफर करते जाना है और फिर क्या करना है बच्चों? ट्रेस करना है. तो अब आप अपने आप कर लोगे ना? चलो अब हम क्या करेंगे? पोयम में से हम पहले सील को ढूंढेंगे. कहाँ है हमारा सील? यस, लेट्स स्टार्ट फाउंडिंग इन द पोयम. Now let's start reading. Two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats, five fat fish, six sad seals. Here it is. Now we have to trace it. Now let's start tracing of it. You have to follow this arrow very carefully for good handwriting, right, children? Okay, you have done this as clearly? Okay. Now let's look our next picture. What is it? It is cylindrical. Here you can see the picture of it. Yes, cylindrical का starting का first letter कौन सा होता है? S. Yes, तो हमें पहले क्या करना है? ओके, हमें ढूंढना है पोयम में से. चलो जाते हैं पोयम में. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats, five fat fish, six sad seals, seven silly girls. सी गर्ल्स तो हमें मिल गए. चलो अब हम क्या करेंगे? अंडरलाइन. वेरी गुड. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू डू tracing in our box. Very nice. Now let's look the next picture. What picture is this, children? Yes, this is eel. Double E-A-L, eel. Okay, can you find eel in our poem? Yes, then you have to refer first your poem. You have to refer it. Let's start reading our poem. Here you can find eel. 8 happy eels. Yes. Here you can see double E-L-S, eels. Then you have to underline it. And then next we have to trace in our box. Let's start tracing. Can you see small e here? Yes. Then you have to trace. Please follow this arrow like this. Now you can see E is complete. Now let's see the next picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is lizard. Okay, and which letter you can find here? It is L. L is a small letter, yes. Now let's find our lizard in our poem. 9 nervous lizards. Yes, you find this lizard here. You have to underline it, right? Please underline lizards and you have to trace L in this box. Now let's start tracing it. Like this, you have to do tracing line, standing line. Yes, it is done. Now let's look the next picture. What is it? It's B. Yes, B double E B. Which letter you can find here? कौन सा letter है यहाँ पे? It is B. Yes. Now first we have to refer our poem. Let's refer it. 10 brave bees. Yes, here it is. You have to underline B double E S bees. Okay, now we have to trace B in our box. Let's start tracing it. First you have to do standing line and C. लेकिन उल्टा. Yes, ये हमारा हो गया B complete. Now let's look our next picture. What you can find here? It is elephant. Yes, a big elephant, right? Okay, ELEPHANT, elephant, right? Okay, now what we have to do? Yes, refer the poem. Here you can see 11 smiley elephants. Yes, here it is. You have to underline it. E for elephant. Yes, trace it. Very good. Now you have to trace. See here. Which animal is it? It is seal. Yes. Now we have to trace F. Okay. First you have to refer the poem. Now you can do it with yourself, right? Okay. Now we will just trace it. तो आपको सिर्फ ट्रेस करना है, राइट? और पोयम में से आपको देख लेना है. तो यहाँ पे हो गया हमारा F ट्रेसिंग क्लियर. ओके, नाउ विच एनिमल इज इट? एलिगेटर. यस, एलिगेटर. ALLIGATOR, एलिगेटर. यस. नाउ You have to first refer from the poem, underline alligator, and then you have to trace here A. Yes? Okay. Now, which you can see here? Now next picture is donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Now you have to refer from the poem and then you have to trace here D, small d, and here it is whale, W-H-A-L-E, whale. You have to trace W here like this. Now our tracing is complete. तो बच्चों हमने यहाँ पे हमारी ट्रेसिंग कंप्लीट कर ली. के, बी, सी, आर, एफ, एस, एस, ई, एल, बी, ई, ए, डी, डब्ल्यू. तो यहाँ पे हमने सारे क्रीचर्स को हमने पोयम में से भी ढूंढ लिया और यहाँ पे उसके फर्स्ट लेटर को भी ट्रेसिंग कर लिया. तो बहुत मज़ा आया ना बच्चों? यस. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? आपको पोयम भी रीड करते जाना है और ट्रेसिंग भी करते जाने हैं. ओके, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस.